This is Alaska.
And welcome to Sterling.
Yay! We're Chuck and Lori, and we're taking you to Alaska. Yay! 1 week in Alaska. It'll be super fun.
It will.
So where are we off to next? The house?
The house.
We're off to the house. All right, let's go. We're driving from Anchorage down to Sterling, which is just outside of Seward and Homer. And it's about 2.5 hours drive there. And this is gonna put us on Route 1, which is supposed to be one of the most scenic highways in Alaska. So we were supposed to do this last night, but we kind of
glad we waited.
Yeah, we decided to wait because we were pretty jet lagged and whipped, and driving in the middle of the night, it is dark, actually.
You can't really see anything either. So.
Yeah, and a rogue moose could have been a problem. So because of that, we're rolling now. That's where I'm gonna sleep when I get in trouble.
There you are. Cool.
This place is cool.
Aww, nice. And the sun's out.
This place is cool.
Hey. We have arrived.
We have arrived. Welcome to Raven's Bluff House. This place is in Sterling, Alaska, and it's our VRBO for the week, and it's really incredible, and I want to take you guys around and show you it. So let's take a look at it from not only the ground, but from the air too.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
This is Alaska.
Yeah, I'm falling in
Cheers.
love.
Right here is a utility shed with bikes and fishing gear, waders, poles, tackle, everything you need to go fishing except the license. The best thing about this house is the view. It's $1 million view. I swear to God. Check this out.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
This is Alaska. We thought we were going to Katmai Island to see bears, but Mother Nature had other plans for us today. Our seaplane trip got a little screwed up, so we're on Plan B. Well, Plan C. This is Plan C. Plan C is the Homer Wynn Nature Center. So here we are. We're going to check this thing out.
So we're going to do some hiking.
Hiking it is.
Yes.
Okay, let's explore. Going deep into mosquitoes.
Great, don't even say that.
Mosquito.
All I need is you, you.
Yeah, I think the viewing platform is free. Where do you want to go?
Maybe down here for a second? No.
We're going that way? Okay, you lead. You're going this
I thought
way.
we'd just like take a look.
We're gonna check this way out. And there goes Lori. She's on the move. You know, you can put your backpack
I know.
on your back.
I know. I'm being lazy.
That's...
I know. Don't even say it.
Put it on your back.
Has it been that kind of day today?
There's a lot of traffic for a nature center.
Well,
Which way you want to go? You want to go on the platform?
I have to pay for the mistakes I made, but I hope you know that I regret every single thing I did. I hope
this is Alaska.
I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright now?
We're at Evelyn's State Recreation Site. There's some nice summer trails here. Lori's going to sign us in so that in the unlikely event we have a bear, we become bear's dinner. We'll find our bones.
No.
Maybe.
Don't
Hopefully
say
not.
that.
Yeah, we're going to do the glacier view. That's the one we're going to do.
So you want to start with the glacier view and see how it goes?
Yeah, it's a quickie, right? It's like 0.6 of a mile.
0.6.
Lori's on a quest for a good view on a day when it's not. I don't want to say it. I'm not going to say it.
No, and I'm exercising. Whoops.
So we'll do some, let's do a droney. Or, no, let's do an asteroid. This is Alaska.
All I need is you,
You're the one that I want. Ooh, honey.
I can't do the high notes.
You're good. I got
Got
chills.
chills. Can't do it. That's a bad song to pick. I was gonna walk off the dock. Life is good. I gotta pee. Can I pee in the woods?
No, I'm recording. Fuck. He just went by the thing too.
It's,
He went by the. You're
sure.
upsetting me. I can't.
okay, well look and film, please.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Today we're at Admiral Air. We're gonna Emerald. No, it's Emerald Air.